Good morning, Junior Ones, and welcome to your IPC lesson for today. Today, we are going to be doing another art project. This is because if we don't do it today, it might not be ready for the end of the week. Now, in Greece, they came up with an amazing idea that's still around today. Have a look at this picture and see if you can think, what did the Greeks come up with that we still have today? Okay, yes, look. These are the 5 Olympic rings, and the Greeks came up in ancient Greece with the idea of the Olympics. And the word Olympics is from a place called Olympia in Greece. Today, your learning goal is I can use simple tools and materials to make products. Is that knowledge, skills, or understanding? Yes, it is a skill. I can. Okay? You are going to be making an Olympic medal because on Friday I want you to be running an Olympics with your family. We'll get more information on that as we go through the week. But to finish your Olympics, it would be great to have some medals. Here, if you want information about the Olympic medals, is the Olympic medal website, and I'll attach that and you can have a little look around that website for yourselves, and it shows you where the medals came from and all of the different designs that have been on the medals in the past. So you can choose how you would like to make your medal. If you've got an idea and you want to use the things that you've got at home already, that's fine. I'm just going to give you a couple of ideas of ways that you could do it. So, one way that I thought of was to make sourdough medals, and I've attached a video of a brother and sister making medals for VE Day, which was last couple of weeks ago in England. You will need 2 cups of flour, a cup of salt, and a cup of warm water. And you can watch the video and see how they make their medals. When you have made your sourdough and you've made your shape, don't forget to put a hole in it before it dries. If you don't put the hole or the slit in it to put the string on, then it will be very difficult. I guess you can stick it with the glue gun. The salt dough, if you want to, you can cook it, but it takes quite a long time. It takes about 3 hours. Or you can put it in a nice warm dry place and turn it over a few times. Well, turn it over like about once a day, and that takes about 36 hours to dry. That's why we're doing this today and not later in the week. Okay, then you can decorate them, you can put strings on them, and you will be ready to give your medals on Friday in your Olympics. Another way that you could do it is you could make a rosette, and rosettes are another like a medal, and here is an easy video to make a rosette.
Hi everyone! This week we're creating these easy paper award ribbon rosettes. So to get started, you'll need to cut 2 pieces of paper that are each 11 inches wide by 2 inches tall. Next, you'll need to cut 2 circles that are about 2.5 inches in diameter. So for that, I found this jam lid that was about that size, and I just traced 2 of those onto the paper. You can make yours bigger or smaller if you'd like. So I traced those and then cut them out. And then I just wanted to show you here, they're just under 2.5 inches in diameter. Next, you'll need 2 pieces of paper that are 4.5 inches wide by 1.5 inches tall. And then you'll take each of those and cut a triangle into the bottom of one end.
Going to speed up a bit. So,
and then just go ahead and repeat that on the other piece. So now both pieces are folded like an accordion, and just take one of those and flip it over. So you have one piece where the end pieces are going down, and then one piece where the end pieces are going up like this. And that makes it so these 2 pieces can easily attach together on those end pieces.
And she attaches them together, and then she makes a circle.
You'll have something that looks like this.
And then there's your rosette.
So you should have all of these pieces, and we're ready to assemble everything.
And then she's going to stick it together. If that's the type of medal or rosette you want to make, I again will attach the video so that you can look at it. Obviously, you just use what you've got in your house for making the rosette or making the medal using flour dough. See how you go. If you can't, then maybe just make some out of paper, draw them and cut them out. Okay, I'll see you later in the small group. Have fun with that. Bye for now.